Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acoustics. 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 Acoustics is a noun that refers to the branch of physics and engineering that deals with the properties of sound and its transmission, production, and effects. It also pertains to the qualities of a particular environment concerning sound. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Architectural acoustics plays a pivotal role in designing concert halls for exceptional sound quality. Why acoustics is used in example number 1. Acoustics relates to the science of sound in architectural design. Example number 2. In acoustics research, scientists investigate phenomena such as sound propagation in underwater environments. Why acoustics is used in example number 2. Acoustics represents the scientific study of sound. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.